Welcome to Just Product 2025.
Hello and welcome back.
I think what you can really tell in this event is that Thomas and Sebastian put a lot of love and care into the event. There's a really good energy around, but it also feels really intimate. I think the venue, for example, they've picked is this cinema that's really cozy, nice seats, it's quite small, so everyone mingles and chats, and that's a really lovely vibe.
One of the things that is always amazing about the Munich product community, that it's a very kind community. Yeah. So it's like really easy to get in touch with people, talk with people, and I think this is also how we want the event to be.
Thank you very much.
I love the deeper conversations and the more intimate setting where we're really talking about sometimes not just my talk, but like their actual things that they're working on.
I think that the presentations in general are really good because they are sharing the big overview, and the AI part is really hands-on, so I think that it's really good combination of like practical knowledge and experience sharing, so yeah.
Way better storyline, like on the main stage. We introduced themes because we felt we had to focus on fewer but like very relevant topics like building AI products with the new stage, also using AI for your everyday work as a PM or a leader, and then obviously best practices in leadership because that is underrepresented in conferences from my point of view, and then growth at profitability.
Oh, das war super toll. Also es hat sehr viel Spaß gemacht.